Hi everyone, welcome to Insightful Maths. In today's session, we are going to learn how to multiply and divide the integers. It's an easy topic, but you need to pay attention and please watch the video till end. I'll assure you in another 20 minutes, you will be able to solve all the multiplication and division of integers question very easy. Right? So let's start. So the topic first, let us understand how do we multiply two integers. I'll just give a 1 minute brief to you. Integers, we have already understood the addition and subtraction. What are integers in the previous video? So integers are basically negative numbers, 0 and the positive numbers. They all are integers. We do not take any fraction here. अगर कोई भी मेरे पास फ्रैक्शन है पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव or any decimal number, ठीक है, that is not a integer, that is not an integer, ठीक है. So any negative number, 0 and positive numbers, they all are integers. So if we are having two positive integers and we are multiplying them, for example, 3 multiplied by 5. This you already know. You are already doing this question from the junior grades. 3 multiplied by 5 or 3 times 5 is how much? That is 15. ये हमें आता है already. So if two positive integers are multiplied, just multiply the numbers and answer undoubtedly will be positive होगी. हमें इसमें कुछ नहीं करना. Another thing is, these numbers can be negative also. पॉजिटिव भी हो सकते हैं, नेगेटिव भी हो सकते हैं. इफ बोथ द नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड टू नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स व्हेन दे आर मल्टीप्लाइड, this minus and this minus, they get cancelled. Okay, they are enemies of each other. So two negative integers multiplied together, this minus sign gets cancelled. So negative integer multiplied by negative integer, ये दोनों माइनस तो कैंसिल हो गए. And just multiply the numbers now. 3 multiplied by 5, your answer is again plus 15. ठीक है, अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव होंगी आंसर पॉजिटिव, अगर दोनों नेगेटिव होंगी तब भी आंसर इज पॉजिटिव. दे बोथ विल बी कैंसिल. अदर आर इजी नाउ. इफ यू आर हैविंग लेट्स से -3 into 5, सबसे पहले आप विदाउट साइन इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. If any one of the integers is negative, चाहे वो बिगर इंटीजर नेगेटिव हो चाहे वो स्मॉलर इंटीजर नेगेटिव हो, आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव होगी. जैसे हम एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में करते हैं ना, द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर दैट डज नॉट फॉलो हियर. माइनस इज डोमिनेटिंग. माइनस और प्लस में ऑलवेज माइनस डोमिनेट्स. ठीक है, सो 1 नेगेटिव 1 पॉजिटिव, आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. अब मैं इसका साइन अगर चेंज कर दूं, 3 multiplied by -5 is equal to, what did I say? Just multiply the numbers. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15. दोनों में से एक इंटीजर इज नेगेटिव, चाहे बड़ा चाहे छोटा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. ठीक है, हैव अ लुक एट द रूल. बोथ आर पॉजिटिव, आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. बोथ आर नेगेटिव, answer will again be positive because minus and minus will be cancelled. If one number positive, one number negative gets multiplied, ये negative will go to the answer. Answer negative. In the similar manner, अगर मैं इसका sequence change कर दूँ, then also if any one number is negative, answer has to be negative. ठीक है, I'm writing a question here. Please try to do this question, then we'll go further. -5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by -10. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. If two numbers are there or more than two numbers are there, you know it is associative property. You can multiply the numbers in any order, answer will be same. So you can pick any two numbers of your comfort first. -5 into 3. दोनों में से only one number is negative. So -5 into 3 is how much? 5 into 3 is 15. दोनों में से एक नंबर नेगेटिव है, सो इट हैज टू बी -50. हमने फर्स्ट टू को किया. आफ्टर दिस वी आर हैविंग -10. नाउ टू नेगेटिव नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाइड टुगेदर. ये मैंने बताया था, माइनस एंड माइनस आर enemies. So minus and minus will be cancelled here, and 15 into 10, answer is 150. Okay. One more very interesting question I would like to put here. If I say minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, ये multiply होता जा रहा है. ठीक है. How many times it is getting multiplied? 20 times. What will be your answer? Even without multiplying it 20 times, you can directly give your answer. Please think about minus 1, I have repeated 20 times. What will be your answer? I'll give you an explanation here for the smaller numbers. If minus 1, let's say I'll write here, minus 1 into minus 1, it is multiplied 2 times. Even number time, 2 is an even number. जब भी negative numbers are even, they are repeated even number of times, ये minus हमेशा cancel हो जाता है. So 1 into 1 is how much? It is 1. अभी मैंने 2 times लिया था. अगर मैं इसे 4 times लेती तो 2 numbers here, minus minus cancel, 2 numbers here, minus minus cancel. तो मेरा आंसर आता इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके 1 into 1, आंसर वुड हैव बीन 1. आप सिर्फ इतना याद रखोगी, इफ नेगेटिव इज रिपीटेड इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, आंसर विल ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. और 1 को आप कितनी बार भी मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, आंसर विल बी 1. ठीक है. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज नाउ. It is division of integers. Division, if you have understood multiplication of integers, division is quite easy and exactly the same. Exactly the same rule follows here. If two positive numbers, let's say 10 divided by 2, मैंने दोनों को positive लिया. Two positive numbers are divided. 10 divided by 2 is 5. अब दोनों positive है तो आंसर तो negative नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. So two positive integers when they are divided, answer will again be positive. Now, another case, अगर ये दोनों number negative होते तो, if two negative integers are divided, पहले आप divide करो. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Like I said, minus multiplied by minus, both get vanished. In the similar manner, minus divided by minus, they again get vanished. So this upper minus, lower minus, they get cancel out. Answer is again positive. अगर दोनों positive होंगे, answer positive. दोनों negative होंगे, answer is again positive. But if one number is negative, one number is positive, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता bigger number negative है या smaller number is negative. One number should be negative. So 10 divided by 2, answer is 5. But we have not used this minus sign. It will go to your answer. Answer is minus 5. In the similar manner, if my question would have been 10 divided by minus 2, आप simply 10 को 2 से divide करो. 10 divided by 2 is 5. But we have not used this minus. Minus ऊपर हो या नीचे हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It will just go to the answer like this. ठीक है. So if any one number is negative, answer has to be negative. If both positive, positive. If both negative, again positive. Okay, let's try to do these questions. I'm writing 3-4 questions here. Please try to do this right now. 20 divided by minus 4. Minus 20 divided by minus 4. Minus 20 divided by 4. Quickly do these questions. Just mute the video for a while. Just stop it. Try to do these questions. Then match your answer with mine. Okay. So I'm doing the first one. 20 divided by 4. It is 5. But we have not used this minus sign. Minus ऊपर हो या नीचे हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It will automatically go to the answer. हमने minus का कुछ नहीं किया ना. It is still existing. Answer is minus 5. In the second part, minus up, minus down. Minus and minus, they fight with each other. They are enemies. Cancelled out. So 20 divided by 4, answer is 5. Now, third question. 20 divided by 4, answer is again 5. We have not used this minus sign, so it will automatically go to your answer. That's minus 5. Up, notice or observe one very important thing here. Answer of this part is also minus 5. And the answer of this last part is also minus 5. How come? initially here it is a positive 20, it is a negative 20. We have just changed the sign. What did I just say? बड़ा number negative या छोटा number negative hardly makes any difference. It is just like out of two numbers, if any one number is negative, answer has to be negative. Okay? Now, what you're going to do, this is an assessment for you. These all symbols are division. This is division, division, division. This is again division. You need to do these 8 questions and you have to put your answer in the comment option. Okay? If you have understood the concept well, if you have liked the video, please, please, please do not forget to push, hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so very much, and do tell me if you have understood the topic or not. I'll wait for your answers. Correct? And I will be telling the name of the student who has answered all the questions correct. Thank you so much.